5 Best Drill Press in 2019. We are going to check out top 5 best drill press in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this drill press, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Dremel 22001 Rotary Tool Workstation Drill Press Workstation with wrench. Articulating drill press drills perpendicular and angled holes in 15-degree increments, up to 90 degrees horizontal. Tool holder holds tool at 90 degrees horizontal for tasks such as polishing metal objects, sanding different shapes and grinding metal piece. Flex shaft tool stand allows telescopic adjustment to any height between 16 and 29 inches. Crow's nest provides onboard storage for drill bits, wrenches, and other Dremel accessories. Cord management clips, for safe storage of power cords, inch, metric marking on base, for accurate drilling of workpiece, depth markings with depth stop, for consistent depth, sturdy metal base with 4 clamping points, to securely hold the station. Compatible with Dremel rotary tool models 100, 200, 275, 285, 300, 395, 398, 400, 800, 3000, 4000, 4200, 8100, 8200, 8220.
Top 4.
4208 8 inches 5-speed drill press. Includes a 1/2-inch key chuck and onboard key storage. Operates at 5 different speeds, 740, 1100, 1530, 2100, 3140 RPM. Spindle travels up to 2 inches with easy-to-read, locking linear depth stops for accurate and repeatable drilling operations. Durable 1/3 horsepower induction motor develops sample torque and power. 6½ x 6½ work table is height adjustable and bevels up to 45 degrees left and right. Swing, 8-inch. Motor, 120 volts, 60 Hz. Horsepower, 1/3 horsepower.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3.
SKIL 332001 3.2 amp 10-inch drill press. 1/2-inch keyed chuck. Bump-off switch for added safety. 5 speeds, 570 to 3050 RPM. Adjustable depth stop for accurate measurements and repetitive drilling. 0-45 degree left, right tilting work surface. Laser X22 beam laser for precise hole alignment.
Top 2.
4210 drill press with laser, 10-inch. Includes, drill press, class 2 1 mW laser, 1/2 keyed chuck and key, tools for assembly. Adjust between 5 speeds from 600 to 3100 RPM. Spindle travel of 2½ with easy to read, locking linear depth stop for accurate and repeatable drilling operations. Durable 3.2 amp motor provides ample torque and power. 7/5 x 7/5 cast iron work table features rack and pinion height adjustment and bevels up to 45 degrees left and right.
Top 1.
4214 12-inch variable speed drill press. Infinitely variable speed ranges from 580-3200 RPMs. Mechanical variable speed delivers equal torque throughout the range. LED readout displays speed. Spindle travel of 3/1/8 with easy to read, locking linear depth stop for accurate and repeatable drilling operations. Quill diameter of 2.17 inches. Durable 2/3 horsepower induction motor develops sample torque and power. Motor, 120 V, 60 Hz. Laser module, class 3. 9½ x 9½ cast iron work table features rack and pinion height adjustment and bevels up to 45° left and right. Includes drill press, mechanical variable speed, laser, table roller extension, 5 EEDs key chuck and key, tools for assembly.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.